Hi there, I'm just here to show you how to use this site to calculate the nutritional value of a recipe. So this is explorefood.food, a fact of life.org.uk. So you go to this site and you click calculate a recipe and select go. Enter your name of your recipe. So I'm going to enter in muffins. Click start. Up here is where you enter all your ingredients. So if you want to do flour over here, you would type in flour and it would come up with a whole lot of different kinds of flour that you would use. So this is flour, wheat, it's white and it's self-raising flour. You have to mention or list all of your ingredients in grams. So this was a cup of self-raising flour. I know that's 150 grams. Let's add another ingredient by clicking add ingredient here, and then I might go down to something like brown sugar, and in comes brown sugar. You can select that one and again type your quantity. Let's say mince, always a good one. You've got lots of things here that you can go for. This was mince, it was raw and extra lean, and I only used 50 grams. So those are my ingredients that I've got in it. I can actually click on summary down here. That gives me a summary of all my nutrients. And when I click on summary, I can also click on create label down here. I could click on export and that would put it in an Excel spreadsheet for me, but I'm going to simply click create label, and the title again is muffins. You would select, is it a food or is it a drink? Food, and up comes the label. This is UK based, so we do need to be careful. Salt is listed in grams here. We would have to change that to milligrams, but it gives you a general understanding of how much is in the food. So that's how you create the label. Over here is your portion sizes. If I wanted to say there was 4 portions there, I would click 4 and calculate. I could edit the recipe there by going back and adding more. Print, exporting. It's a great little program. Hope this has helped.